The summer of love.
Hello fellow YouTubers, this is Incorruptible, back with a different kind of clip. Today we're going to be showing you an unboxing of my very first Supreme merch drops. So let's go ahead and check it out. Have not looked inside here, but I went ahead and cut it open. I got a knife over here that we went ahead and already cut it open with, but we have not looked at it, so you're going to get my initial reaction. Let's go ahead and pop this guy out. Okay, it comes with some other things here too. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so that looks really good, actually. That looks really good. Looks like we got some stickers. Nice. They hooked us up with a bunch of stuff. Pretty cool. Okay, so they've been dropping a bunch of like Smurf stuff lately, so that's really cool. And we got like an original sticker as well. I'm gonna make sure I use both of those. The sticker's pretty cool. Don't know about this one yet, though. That one's all right. Not too bad. Let's get back to this. Let me know what you guys think about this. I think it's pretty clean. Let's go ahead and get it out of the packaging here. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna go ahead and set down my phone. Alright, so there we have it. Looks really good. Inside and out. Got the whole Supreme lettering all the way around the outside there. I'm really digging it. Let me know what you guys think about this down in the comment section. Pretty clean. This is sold out now, so you can't get these beanies anymore. But really cool. I think the resale might go up on these over time, but I'm probably just gonna hold on to this. It's my first merch drop, so it means a lot. Also, really digging these stickers. Thank you, Supreme, for sending me some extra stickers. Let's see, anything else in here? Don't think so. So let me know what you guys think about these stickers and this Supreme beanie. Pretty cool for my first drop. Thank you guys so much for watching. Smash the like button, subscribe with post notifications turned on. Let me know what you guys think about these unboxing videos. Should I do more of this? I think it's a pretty cool idea. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.